Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to change where your Windows notifications appear on your desktop. So normally you know that they appear down here in the lower right corner. So for example, if we do the timer for Windows, pops up in the lower right hand corner there. Just click on dismiss. Alright, so the tool we're going to be using is called Top Notify, so you can find it in the Microsoft Store. Just spell it with no spaces and look for this icon, then just install it like any other app. And then once it's installed, it'll be running down here in your system tray. So it has to be in the system tray here to be running. Then you could double click on it to open the settings. Okay, so it'll let you pick where you want it. So if we click on the upper right, you could do a little test here. Upper left, lower left. And if you click on this middle button here, you can put it wherever you want. So if you want to stick it in the middle of the screen, you could do that as well. And then this option here for enable click-through, let's put it up here. So if you turn this on, it'll allow you to click through the notification. So let's do a little test here. Now you can see I could open up this picture by clicking behind the actual notification, so it clicks through it. And then we have transparency. So if we turn this, let's say, in the middle, and we have some transparency like that. Okay, so let's try it with the real notification here and see what happens. Just like that. Now let's turn the transparency all the way up and see what it looks like. Like so. And if you click on that one, it brings up the timer. But if we had this turned on, then we'd be able to click through it. But the problem with that is sometimes you're not going to be able to close your notification if the click-through is enabled, depending on the type of notification. So if we turn this off here, then we can click on dismiss. Alright, so you can see it's a pretty cool little tool there. So like I said, just go to the Microsoft Store, search for Top Notify, install it, and then you'll be good to go. And then if you find it's not working, just come here and make sure it's in your system tray. And if it's not, you could find it in your apps. Right there, and then start it up and you'll be back in business. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.